Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Budget and Finance Committee meeting for April the 20th. First item on the agenda is RS 2015-1420, appropriates $1,849,600 to the Fairgrounds, Farmers Market, and Municipal Auditorium to balance their fiscal year 2014-15 operating budget. There is a substitute that basically takes out the fairgrounds portion of this, since that was addressed on a separate bill last week. Substitutes duly seconded. Any discussion? Seeing none. All in favor? Aye. Opposed? Motion passes. Now I move the bill as substituted. All in favor? Aye. Opposed? Motion passes. RS 2015-1445, Pridemore Westerholm, authorizes the mayor to submit to the annual update to the 2013-2018 Consolidated Plan for Housing and Community Development Programs for the Metropolitan Government to U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development.
Move approval.
Duly seconded. Any discussion? Seeing none. All in favor? Aye. Opposed? Aye. Motion passes. RS 2015-1446, Pridemore approves a grant of $29,600 from the Tennessee Arts Commission to the Metro Arts Commission for the Arts Build Community Program.
Move approval.
Duly seconded. Any discussion? Seeing none. All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? Motion passes. RS 2015-1447, Pridemore and Baker approves an application for a state grant of $474,948 to the district attorney to provide services to Hispanic victims of crimes, families that have experienced child homicide and child sexual and physical abuse. Duly seconded. Any discussion? Seeing none, all in favor? Aye. Opposed? Motion passes. RS 2015-1448, Pridemore and Baker, the sponsors, approves an application for a federal grant of $706,464.35 to the mayor's office to accomplish recommendations identified in the Domestic Violence Safety Accountability Assessment. Duly seconded. Any discussion? Seeing none, all in favor? Aye. Opposed? Motion passes. RS 2015-1449, Pridemore and Baker approves an application for continuation of a state grant of $626,220 to Metro Police Department to provide mental health services and criminal justice system advocacy. Duly seconded. Any discussion? Seeing none, all in favor? Opposed? Motion passes. RS 2015-1450, Pridemore and Baker approves a state grant of $240,000 to the Metro Police Department for the Internet Crimes Against Children's Unit. Duly seconded. Any discussion? Seeing none, all in favor? Aye. Opposed? Motion passes. RS 2015-1451, Pridemore and Bennett approves a state grant of $3,000 to the Nashville Public Library for archives management. Approved. Duly seconded. Any discussion? Seeing none, all in favor? Aye. Opposed? Motion passes. RS 2015-1452, Pridemore and Bennett approves a state grant of $1,250 to the Metro Parks Department to preserve, catalog, and make available to the public a collection of research pertaining to the Civil War in Middle Tennessee at Fort Negley Park and Visitor Center. Do I have a motion? And duly seconded. Any discussion? Seeing none, all in favor? Aye. Opposed? Motion passes. RS 2015-1453, Pridemore Hunt Westerholm approves a continuation of a grant of $20,000 from Metro Development and Housing Agency to the Metro Historical Commission to perform environmental reviews of historic properties. Duly seconded. Any discussion? Seeing none, all in favor? Aye. Opposed? Motion passes. RS 2015-1454, Pridemore and Gilmore approves an application for grant $86,500 from the Greater Nashville Regional Council to the Metro Social Services Commission for delivered meals. Duly seconded. Any discussion? Seeing none, all in favor? Opposed? Motion passes. RS 2015-1456, Pridemore and Gilmore sponsors approves an application for a grant of $70,000 from the Greater Nashville Regional Council to the Metro Social Services Commission for transportation services. Duly seconded. Any discussion? Seeing none, all in favor? Opposed? Motion passes. RS 2015-1457, Pridemore sponsor approves an amendment to a state grant to the Nashville Career Advancement Center to prepare eligible participants for re-entry into the labor force and to provide employment training by increasing the amount of the grant by $971. And duly second. Any discussion? Seeing none, all in favor? Opposed? Motion passes. RS 2015-1458 approves an amendment to a state grant of $22,125 to the Nashville Career Advancement Center for activities that increase employment, retention, and earnings of participants. Have a motion? Duly second. Any discussion? Seeing none, all in favor? Opposed? Motion passes. 2015-1459, Pridemore sponsor approves an amendment to a dislocated worker grant to the Nashville Career Advancement Center. Have a motion? Duly seconded. Any discussion? Seeing none, all in favor? Opposed? Motion passes. RS 2015-1460, Pridemore sponsor approves an amendment to an adult worker grant to the Nashville Career Advancement Center by increasing the amount of the grant by $959. And duly second. Any discussion? Seeing none, all in favor? Opposed? Motion passes. RS 2015-1462, Pridemore sponsor, authorize the Department of Law to settle Metro subrogation claim for the inliner duty injury benefits paid on behalf of Metro Fire Department employee Thomas Goad in the amount of $13,333.333. Duly seconded. All in favor? A discussion? Seeing none, all in favor? Opposed? Motion passes. Committee meeting is adjourned.